Deadly landslide strikes southern Peru amid heavy rainfall. Landslides in southern Peru have left at least 15 people dead, 20 injured, and 2 missing, authorities said, warning that the toll from the disaster could rise. The number of people dead so far has risen to 15, according to the Directorate of the National Civil Defense Institute in the Arequipa region, where mud and rock slides began on Sunday as a result of torrential rains. On Monday, 20 more people were treated for minor injuries. According to a bureau for Peru's Ministry of Health in the mountainous town of Secocha, where the landslide took place, located on the banks of the Ocona River in Camina Province, Secocha is among the areas in the department of Arequipa facing high water levels as heavy rain continues to fall. As of Monday morning, the Ocona was flowing at a rate of 585.6 cubic meters per second, with the Peruvian government warning that the swollen river could affect nearby population centers. To address the aftermath of the landslide, the Ministry of Health has announced on Twitter that it will send 2 brigades made up of doctors, nurses, and mental health professionals to the area, as well as 150 kilograms to 330 pounds of medicine to the region. The Peruvian army has also deployed helicopters to the region, transporting humanitarian aid, drinking water, and sandbags to the emergency site. Search and rescue efforts continue, the Ministry of Defense said in a tweet that called out misinformation surrounding the landslide, with some media reports setting the death toll as high as 36. The ministry wrote it recommended that members of the public obtain information from official sources. The Associated Press news agency reports that Wilson Gutierrez, a civil defense official of the Mariano Nicolas municipality, previously said in an interview radio station RPP that 36 people had died in an isolated area called RPP News also reported that some of the dead had been struck by falling rocks as they traveled by truck along the Secocha highway. The landslide strikes amid ongoing anti-government demonstrations in Peru, many of which are concentrated in southern regions like Arequipa. His former vice president, Dina Boluarte, was sworn in as Peru's first female president that same day. Castillo, once considered a dark horse candidate for the presidency, is a former school teacher and union organizer from Peru's rural north. His presidency galvanized support in other impoverished, rural areas of the country, including Arequipa, where protesters stormed the airport and blocked highways in response to his arrest. The demonstrations against Castillo's detention have continued for more than 2 months. Protesters calling for Castillo's release, Boluarte's removal, and the dissolution of Congress, new elections, and a revised constitution.
Ya en unos momentos va a estar pasando. Así como ven, la gente ya están subiendo a los cerros. Ahí está la gente en los cerros.